Welcome back to another video. Today we'll be looking at the Trumpeter T80BV in 1/72 scale. If you missed the unboxing, check out the link in the description. Enjoy. The first step was to glue the lower hull to the upper hull. I'm using Humroll poly cement. It fits neatly to the lower hull without any sanding needed. The wheels were then attached to the hull. It's simple and no force was needed to attach the wheels. There are 12 wheels in total to attach. As you can already see, I've done the other side. Now it's time to do this side. I then attached the front and rear drive rails for both sides. The rear drive rails can cause issues, but more on that later. We then need to add some rear details. Here I have added the wooden log and the holder for said log. Holders are a little fiddly to add, but nothing too difficult. This is up to step 2 on your instructions booklet provided. The tracks come as one piece with the outside sections of the wheels already attached. You should be able to place the track over the drive rails and onto the model with relative ease. Just make sure the real drive rail spokes align with the holes in the tracks, otherwise it won't fit on. A little adjustment might be needed. This is what the kit should look like at step number 3. As you can see, the tracks fit nicely on this model with no issues. There are no issues with any parts on this kit, and the detail for 1/72 is very nice. If you hadn't already noticed, some of the ERA bricks already come provided. It's time to add the side skirts, which come as one set piece. Once again, they fit nicely. The part fits with the tabs and inserts on the ready drilled holes. Little force is needed once again, and it fits brilliantly. If done correctly, it should fit straight over the tracks. Now we have to make the turret. The basic shape is made from 2 parts, a turret shape and a turret floor. They attach via the pins. Some small sanding might be needed to make a flush fit. So this is what it looks like at the start of step 6. The turret ERA bricks come in ready-made curves, and as the turret is imprints for the parts, they are also attached with little effort. By step 6, we have also added some more hull details like hooks and barrels. Here we have some photos of the built product before painting. The kit has come together really nicely, with minimal sanding needed, and I have used no filler. I think the kit looks fantastic, and I'm very glad they included the ERA without the need to order aftermarket photo etch. The kit has now been painted, and this is the finished product. To paint the kit, I used Tamiya XF61 dark green and Humroll 33 matte black. I also used a homemade dark wash and filter, which I didn't let fully dry before taking the photo. Oops. For £12, I really cannot complain about this kit. It went together nicely and no filler was needed. I would definitely recommend this kit to all modelers, but if you're looking for a challenging build, then I'd recommend going for the 1/35 versions. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.